Good morning, my dear children. First, we are going to pray. Kindly join your hands and close your eyes.
I praise you, O God, with all my heart. Surround us with your protection. I thank you for your presence in my life, for the confidence I have in you, and the plans you have for me. Today I specially pray for those who suffer from coronavirus. May those who are infected receive the proper treatment and the comfort of your healing presence. Thank you, God.
Which fruit is this, children? Yes, this is an apple. This is one apple or a single apple. We will use the word this for this apple. Now I am having more apples. 1, 2 and 3. We will use these for these apples. This is a cherry. This is only one cherry or a single cherry. I will use the word thi as this for this cherry. Some more cherries. I will use the word this for these cherries. These are more cherries. What is this, children? Yes, this is a toy. Children, do you play with a toy? Yes, very good. But this is only one toy. Now I am going to put all toys together. There are many toys. For single toy, we will use word this. But for many toys, we will use word this. This is only one bed. But now many beds are here. So we will use word this for many beds. Many toys are there, but they are far away from me. So I will use the word those for those toys. These are benches. Benches are close to me. I can touch these benches. So I will use the pointing word this for these benches. Those are benches. All benches are far away from me. I cannot touch that benches. So I will use word those for those benches. This, those. We use the word this for things, animals, birds and peoples which are more than one. This we also use for things, animals, birds and peoples which are close to us. Those we can use the word those for the things, animals, birds and peoples which are more than one. Those we will use when the things, animals, birds and peoples which are far away from us. Today we will learn about some more magic words like this and those. It's on page number 42. These are buns. Buns are close by this sentence. So we will use the word this for these buns. Those are fruits. Fruits are far away from this sentence. We will use the word those for these fruits. These are toys. Toys are close to the sentence. Those are cows. Cows are far away from this sentence. These are apples. Those are oranges. These are ducks. Those are peacocks. These are candles. Those are caps. Children, we will use the word this when the things are close to us or nearby us. Those. We will use the word those when things are far away from us. Enrichment activities are on page number 43. Write this or that. What is this, children? Yes, this is a doll. A doll is close to this sentence. So we will write the magic word this. T H I S. This. What is that, children? Yes, that is a bag. We will use the word that. T H A T. That is a bag. Bag is far away from this sentence. This is a pen. That is a jug. This is a book. Write this or those. What is this? Yes, these are bananas. We will write the magic word this. T H E S E. These are bananas. But caps are far away from this sentence. Children, which word will we write here? Yes, those. T H O S E. Those are caps. These are birds. Those are eggs. These are bats. Today you have to write the new magic words this and those. Date is 5th of October 2020. 5, 10, 20. This. T-H-E-S-E. This. T-H-O-S-E. Those. Same way you have to draw a line in the middle of this page. T H E S E. This. Those. T H O S E. Those. On the next page, you have to write some words like apples, ducks, cows, peacocks, books, birds, eggs, and bananas. You have to write and learn these words.
Bye bye, children. Stay safe at home.